the post of the Deputy Governor for vetting by the County Assembly of Kisii. Pursuant to provision of Section 32T of the County Government Amendment Act 2012, as led with the provision of the Public Appointment County Assembly's Approval Act number 5 of 2017, I do here nominate the following person as on below for the position of the Deputy Governor for the vetting and approval by the County Assembly. Name, Mr. Elijah Opepo. ID number 16004184. Honorable members, pursuant to Article 179, subsection 2 of the Constitution of Kenya 2010, and the Standing Order number 185, subsection 4, I hereby commit the nomination of Mr. Elijah Opepo as the Deputy Governor of Kisii County Government to the Committee on Appointment for vetting and the report back to this House within 14 days.
I just hope that the right procedure was followed, and I pray if this is what is going to help our county government to deliver, then so be it, because we have engaged in a pull and back and forth, but we don't want to delay development anymore, because they are saying that the fights in the county between the executive and the assembly is what's delaying our developments. If this is going to help our county government to deliver, then we pray that the county assembly does the due process, and I just hope the legal process was followed so that we get done with this.
The governor had 14 days to nominate a candidate who is fit for that position, and this afternoon we have received in the assembly through the speaker the name of one Elijah Opepo, as currently is the chair of the service board, and we had told the governor that he should give the seat back to Nyaribari, which he honored. He has done the same. Elijah Opepo comes from Nyaribari, Chache, where Dr. Robert Monda, the former deputy governor, used to come from. And so we are going to follow the process. As vile tumepewa jina, we have been given 14 days. Within 14 days, we bring back the name to the assembly for approval. And I'm telling you, we had already vetted Elijah as the chair of Public Service Board, so we don't have much. He's a member of ODM. I'm assuring you that he's going to be the next deputy governor. The question of gazettement is not our issue. The procedures and the standing orders of the assembly are very clear. There is nowhere they quote standing of the gazettement. Even the act does not say, it's silent on that. Mheshimiwa Monda ana haki ya kuenda katika court, lakini sisi hatujapokea court order yoyote ya kutuambia tusifanye process yoyote. Kwa hivyo yeye ana haki, wacha endelee na court process yake, tunamuombea. Lakini sasa tulimuondoa, na mliona tulimuondoa, akachukuliwa mpaka Senate akaondolewa. Huyu mzee angepumzika tu polepole, asijisumbue, sababu hata majaji watakataa tu.